Hi everyone, here we've got Meizu 16th, and let me show you how to do a Google backup on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Now let's scroll down and choose Storage and Backup, and here choose the Google Backup and Restore. And as you can see now it is disabled, but if you want to turn it on, simply click on the switcher. And here we've got the activated backup account. If you've got more, then you can add another account, and that's all. This is how you enable backup and restore. Thanks to this, all your files will be saved on your Google account. So this is it. This is how you Google backup your data from your Meizu 16th. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.